Did you know heroin was once marketed as children's cough medicine? From 1898 to 1910, Bayer Pharmaceutical Company sold heroin over the counter as a safe family remedy. Their advertisements promised it was non-addictive and perfect for kids with coughs. Doctors recommended tiny doses for everything from tuberculosis to simple cold symptoms. Parents trusted the Bayer name and gave it to their children without question. The medicine bottles sat right next to aspirin on pharmacy shelves. Families had no idea they were giving their kids one of the most addictive substances on earth. An entire generation grew up unknowingly dependent on what we now call a deadly street drug. The same company still exists today,